This is the ingredients for making chashu. Pork belly. You just need to remove the rind or the skin part. Sugar. Green onions. We just need to remove this green part because we will use this for our toppings, for our tonkotsu ramen. Ginger. Water. Soy sauce. Sake or Japanese fermented wine. Olive oil or any cooking oil. Heat over medium heat. Pour the cooking oil. Because we will going to sear our pork belly. We're going to sear our pork belly. I already cut this pork belly for our chashu. While searing, put all the ingredients. Because we don't have drop lid, we will use the aluminum oil for our cover. We will just check it after 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Simmer on low heat and check every 15 minutes. We will simmer it for 30 minutes or until our pork belly becomes tender. We're just searing the chashu slices to enhance its flavor. This is what it looks like after searing the chashu slices. Just going to turn off the heat first. And we will transfer these slices, chashu slices, into a clean container. It's so mouth-watering. And the smells is so good. Look at that chashu for our tonkotsu ramen. You can use the remaining chashu for your fried rice. You can store the chashu in the refrigerator for 7 days or 1 month in the freezer. But I will use it right away for our tonkotsu ramen. If you enjoy watching our vlog for today, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Romero's channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.